Hello, my beautiful babes. Today we will be doing our nails with the Beetles nail tip and glue set. As you can tell from the beat up box, I really love this brand. It has quality and affordability. So let's get started, babes. I love to organize the nail tips by numbers. I will not be using number 0. Since I already know that number 2 fits my thumb, that's what I'll get started with. Here, I'm just trying to show you how it should look when it fits. Now, pay attention to number 1 and number 3 because this is how it's going to look when they do not fit. Number 1 is too big and number 3 is too small. Okay, this is important. Sometimes you're not going to have the same size throughout your fingers, so it's good to check both hands. Because, for example, number 2 fit perfectly for my left thumb, but number 1 fits my right thumb. Now I'm going to finish doing the rest of my fingernails and I will try to spit it up for you. As you can see, I really like to organize the fingernails I start picking and I make them look like my hands. I hope you can see. Next, we're going to put acetone on our nails to dry them up because oil inhibits chemicals from the products to adhere properly. The next step is to file our nails. I will be using my electronic nail file, but you could use a regular nail file. It doesn't have to be this. I'm using it because I already have it. If you're going to use an electronic nail file like me, remember to be soft and be gentle. The motions I will be doing are up and down, side to side, and a little bit of a circle around. You just want to remove the first layer of your nail so that the product sticks on better. Think about it as exfoliating your face before applying your makeup. It just looks better and it is better. Now I'm going to put this away. Time to apply more acetone. This should be, I think, the second round. Yes, second round. If you look at your nails and think to yourself, ooh, what is that? Then good job, you are doing amazing, sweetie. Next step is primer. Just like makeup, baby, just like makeup. Remember, you don't need a lot, just a little bit goes a long way. You don't need to drench your nails in it. After that, it is time to apply the nail glue. I have two of them. I have one that is running out and I'm trying to get every last drop. We will apply the first coat of nail glue and then cure it in the lamp. After the first layer of nail glue has been cured in the lamp, we're going to glue or press on nails. If it looks like I'm struggling right now, it's only because I'm trying my hardest not to knock off the camera. But as you will see later on in the video, this nail lamp is actually very comfortable to use. Right now you can see that it has a small air bubble, but for the most part it's glued on properly. This nail is not falling off. Right now you see me struggling so much to not knock off the camera. But if the camera were not in the way, it would be super easy to just apply these on. This is one of the best press lamps I've seen in the market. It's super easy to use, super comfortable. Look at how beautiful this one is. No air bubbles, it's perfect. Once we have individually cured each press-on, we're going to cure the nails, all of them, in the lamp again. They should feel strong and secure. Next, we will cut them to the desired length we want. Listen, this is not the way to cut them. Look at how I'm putting the nail trimmer. Now is the correct way. This is the right way. I love long nails, and I told myself I would get them short this time, but it's been very hard on my emotional well-being. Anyways, enough jabbing. Look at how I'm placing the trimmer. I angle it, create a square but slightly rounder edge. The shape of this nail is a squabble. It is the most closely resembling a natural nail, and that is the look I'm going for. Here, my nails are looking a little bit more medium, so I decide to cut them again. I swear, every time I cut them, I feel like a little teardrops. But it's okay. We're big, strong girls in this channel. We can take it. We can take it. Up next, we are going to file any harsh ends from the nail cutting. We don't want to accidentally stab our eyes out, okay, babies? This part is not important. This is just me organizing myself, being like, what? Wait, let me put this here, let me put this there. For my personal comfort, I'm going to do my right hand off camera. And ta-da! They're both done. So this is it for the press today, guys. Thank you very much for staying and watching. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And stay tuned because part 2 is coming up. Bye!